talking about our favorite animated movies.
Awesome! I love the one with the big blue monster.
Me too. That one's the best. And hey, I have the best idea for an adventure. Ooh, what is it? We build a giant fort with pillows and blankets.
Yes, and we can have a best day ever, hun.
My do-
So, the secret is to mix the colors just right. Oh, I see. Like this? Exactly. And then you add a little sparkle.
Wow, that makes sense. Hey, what's a tree's favorite drink?
I don't know, what?
Root beer.
That's so funny. Okay, my turn.
All right, let's hear it.
So, I was thinking we should talk about space.
Yeah, I'm listening.
Well, planets are round, but some asteroids are shaped like potatoes.
Potato asteroids, that's so cool.
Okay, so the rule is A before consonants and before vowels. Oh, I see. So it's a cat? Exactly. You got it. It's that simple. Cool, thanks. Just had the most amazing idea.
Wow, really? Tell me. Whoa.
Right?
Whoa, Land of Iceroll, that's awesome.
I'm impressed. Yes, let's do it.
Wow, this is the best idea ever.
I know. I'm so excited to start.
Me too. Let's get the mics ready.
Yes, this is going to be so much fun.
All right. Yeah.
What makes the sky so blue?
That's a great question. I think it's the air.
Sometimes things get tough. It's important to talk to someone.
You're right. Friends help us see the bright side.
Exactly. Just being there for each other makes all the difference. It really does.
I'm so excited to talk about our new project. Me too. It's going to be so much fun.
Yahtzee! Jevons Days. We should start planning right away. This is Death the Bat. Everyone, I'm so excited to share our new adventure story. Me too. I can't wait to hear what happens. Well, it starts with a big surprise in the forest.
Ooh, I need a sip for this.
Whoa, what's this?
A tablet. Let's see. Wow, it's glowing. Tap it again.
So cool, look! Awesome! Ready to record? Yes, let's hit pool.
Hi, Gabe.
Yes, robots!
Let's Hi, right? The robots like
Sure! Like show. We're so excited you're here.
Thank you.
I'm very happy to be here.
Tell us, what's the best thing about being a robot?
I can calculate anything instantly.
Wow, yeah!
Everyone, thanks for joining us today.
We've had so much fun, but it's time to say goodbye.
Until next time, keep creating.
Bye! Look at this! I found it! Whoa, cool! What is it?
It's a new game.
Look at the levels!
Awesome! Let's try it after. Thanks for joining us today.
We had so much fun!
Wave goodbye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye!
Wow, this is the best idea ever.
I know! I'm so excited to start!
Me too. Let's get the mics ready.
Yes! This is going to be so much fun!
All right. Yeah.